What's up everybody, it's David here, always helping you play creatively. Hey, today we are looking at something I have never discussed in, goodness gracious, the 10 years I've been on YouTube, and that we're looking at the Lydian scale. Now, I'm gonna make some future videos on the Lydian scale. I've really been inspired by it. However, today we're just gonna look at what I'm gonna refer to as the Lydian 736. Now, not really what it is, but it's taking the standard 736 and changing up the chords quite a bit, okay? So here we go. Let me give you an example of it in a song. So let's take Holy Holy. We're gonna get to the end of it. So holy, merciful and mighty. I just felt it, felt so lifted. And that's what's crazy about the Lydian scale, is that it just makes you feel like it's lifting you up, you know? It just makes everything so brighter, all right? So it's wonderful, which is really in contrast to the diminished scale, which I often talk about, which is so dark, right? Right? So the diminished chord, diminished scale, it's often really dark, but the Lydian scale is really bright, okay? Okay, anyway, this is what's happening here. This is what I'm going to refer to as the Lydian 736 for now, all right? Let's look at this in the key of D. So our 736 in D is normally going to be a C sharp, half diminished 7, to an F sharp. It's really a F sharp dominant chord of some kind, so we're going to say here F sharp 5 sharp 9. That's what this is. And then here we have B minor 7, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change 2 of those chords. Our 7 is going to be a B over a C sharp, okay? Or a D flat. And then, so this is our first chord here. Our second chord, we're still on the 7, technically, but what we're doing is we're changing position. So here we have, in our right hand, we have B going to a D flat C sharp, right? In our left hand, we have C sharp going down to a B. Now, all of that is still for the 7th, okay? So when we're thinking about this, all right? All that is still for that. But for our third, instead of playing either that or some sharp 5 augmented chord, we're going to play our F sharp, but we're gonna play the 3rd rather than the 1, okay? So we're playing A sharp instead, okay? And then I add that little stuff for a touch of flavor, you know? So we have, and then we're going to the B minor 7 like that, okay? So let me review that, because we want to apply this in other keys, okay? Our first chord, reviewing the steps, we have a B major in our right hand over the 7th, okay? Then we are going to change that. So now we're playing the C sharp with a B, then we're going to go to our major 3, but instead of playing the root of that, we're going to play the 3rd of that. And then we're going to add the 2 and the 1 for a touch of flavor, going to the 6, okay? All right, now let's go ahead, let's look at this in the key of C, okay? In the key of C, we're gonna go to the 7th. All right, so we found our 7, and what we're gonna do is here, we're gonna play an A major, okay? And then we're gonna play our 7 over that. Then the next chord here is going to be a B over the A, and then the next chord after that is going to be an E over a G sharp. But now here I'm really making that a sus2 chord. Okay, now where is the Lydian coming in all of this? Okay, so there, right there, that's where the Lydian is showing its head. All right, and it's showing its head with its note here. Now we won't get into all of that, but so sweet. All right, so let's take another song and let's look at it as an example. As the deer panteth forth. Oh, it was so nice and warm. Oh my gosh, just made my day. As the deer panteth forth. All right. Now you got to be willing sometimes to endure some of the dissonance, okay? But you can make it work. All right. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to grow in your piano playing journey, I actually have a free membership in the description below. So go ahead and check it out. We talk about passing chords, substitutions, inner voicing movements, everything to help you grow as a piano player. Well, until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.